Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about the differential equations. We are in homogeneous differential equation type. In that, exercise 8C, second bit, question number 12. Let us have a discussion. The first question in this session. Solve 2x minus y into dy is equal to 2y minus x into dx. So first, the given differential equation you have to make into the form of dy by dx equal to or dx by dy, whichever is convenient for you that you can take it. So dx by dy by dx I am taking here. Given differential equation GDE 2x minus y into dy is equal to 2y minus x into dx. So dx we can take this side. Dy by dx is equal to 2y minus x by 2x minus y. Clearly, it is homogeneous differential equation. In each and every term, the power of x, the degree of x will be equal. So it is homogeneous. Equation number 1. Whenever we decided that it is homogeneous, x power 1, here y power is also 1. Each and every term of numerator and denominator having the same degree, therefore it is a homogeneous differential equation. So to solve this type of problems, put y is equal to vx. Whenever it is dy by dx, put y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Suppose if you are taking dx by dy, put x is equal to vy, differentiate with respect to y. Now dy by dx, y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to v plus v into x derivative is 1 plus x into v derivative is dv by dx. Now in equation 1, in place of dy by dx, we have to replace with v plus x dv by dx. Equation 1 implies that v plus x dv by dx equal to, wherever y is there, you have to replace with vx in this RHS of equation 1. 2 into vx minus x by 2x minus vx. X take common and cancel, we will get it as 2v minus 1 divided by 2 minus v. In the next step, v we are taking into this side. That implies that x into dv by dx, which is equal to 2v minus 1 divided by 2 minus v by 1. So x into dv by dx, which is equal to 2 by minus v. 2 minus v is the LCM. So 2v minus 1 minus v into 2 minus v. So minus 2v, minus into minus plus v square. Minus 2v plus 2v get cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 divided by 2 minus v. Now we are going to separate the variable and separable method here. We are going to apply variable separable method. All v terms one side and x terms we are taking into the another side. So here 2 minus v divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to 1 by x into dx. Separated x and v. Whenever we are separated, taking integration on both sides. Taking integration on both sides. So integral 2 minus v divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Now we can split into two terms here. 2 constant to get it, 2 by v square minus 1, 2 constant to get it outside, 1 by v square minus 1 into dv minus v divided by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. In the first term of this LHS, we have direct formula. Integral 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a. Here we have the formulas. In the first, integral 1 by x square minus a square equal dx equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a. This formula I am going to apply here. Whereas come to this term, multiplying and dividing by 2 to get the f dash of x by f of x formula. V square minus 1 derivative is 2v, but 2v is not there here. So multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2 here. This is the logic step. Y means to get the formula form of integral f dash of x by f of x. According to this, f dash of v by f of v into dv is equal to log mod v. That formula we are going to apply. I hope everyone understand. Integral 1 by x is log mod x. Constant also log c, we can take it. So now come to here. 2 into 1 by 2 into a value 1 log mod v square minus 1 means v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into f dash of x by f of x log mod v square minus 1, which is equal to log x plus log c. Why? Because integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. So log x plus c. Here what I am doing is, here 2 can keep it here only. 1 by 2 in this term as well as in this term will be there now. I am taking comma 2 into log of v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus log of v square minus 1 can be written as v minus 1 into v plus 1, which is equal to log xc, log ab, log a plus log b formula. So 2 we are taking into this side, and here also 2 we can take this side as well. Log v minus 1 by v plus 1 is there now. So can I write like this? Log v minus 1 whole square by v plus 1 whole square, the power I am applying, minus log v minus 1 into v plus 1 is equal to 2 log xc. In the next step, log a minus log b, log ab, log a by b. So log v minus 1 whole square by v plus 1 whole square divided by this value, v minus 1 into v plus 1, which is equal to log x square c square. So now here I will write it, log, both sides logs, you can remove that. The rest of the terms, v minus 1 whole square by v plus 1 whole square into, here v minus 1 into v plus 1 is equal to x square c square. So one of the v minus 1 cancel. So v minus 1 divided by v plus 1 whole cube is equal to x square c square. Now wherever v is there, you have to replace with y by x. V is equal to y by x. Substitute in this, y by x minus 1 divided by y by x plus 1 whole cube is equal to x square c square. So y minus x by x divided by y plus x by x whole cube is equal to x square c square. Y minus x by x into x cube divided by y plus x whole cube is equal to x square c square. So here x square times cancel, x square get cancelled. Y minus x is equal to c square into x plus y whole cube. Therefore, which is the required solution? Which is the required solution of given differential equation? I hope everyone understand. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Solve x square minus y square into dy by dx equal to xy. Even x square minus y square we can take into this side. So it will become dy by dx, homogeneous differential equation form. First step, given differential equation GDE x square minus y square into dy by dx, which is equal to xy. Now except dy by dx remaining, I am taking this side. Dy by dx is equal to xy by x square minus y square. First you have to verify whether it is homogeneous or not. X power 1, y power 1, irrespective of x and y, this total term degree is 2. Even in each and every term of denominator also having the same degree, therefore it is a homogeneous differential equation. Whenever we decided it is homogeneous differential equation, put y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to v into x derivative is 1 plus x into v derivative with respect to x, dv by dx. So equation 1 will becomes, in equation 1 implies that wherever dy by dx is there, you have to replace with v plus x dv by dx. v plus x dv by dx is equal to x into vx divided by x square minus v square x square. So here x square take common, x square into v by x square take common, 1 minus v square. X square get cancelled, v we are taking into this side. Therefore x into dv by dx, which is equal to v by 1 minus v square minus v by 1, which is equal to 1 minus v square LCM. So it will becomes v minus v into 1 minus v plus v square, v cube, minus v square into v. So these two will be cancelled. X into dv by dx is equal to v cube by 1 minus v square. Now separating the variables v and x respectively. So 1 minus v square divided by v cube into dv is equal to dx by x. Whenever variables were separated, taking integration on both sides. So taking integration on both sides. So next step it will becomes integral 1 minus v square divided by v cube into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Now split into two terms here. Integral 1 by v cube into dv minus integral v square by v cube into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. So v times cancel here. 1 by v cube, we didn't have any formula, so we can write like this: v power minus 3 into dv. Integral exponent formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral 1 by v into dv, integral 1 by x into dx. Integral x power n into exponent minus 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, v power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 minus integral 1 by v is log mod v is equal to integral 1 by x log mod x plus log c. Wherever log is there, I already said that log c. So minus log v also we can take that side. V power minus 2 by minus 2 is equal to log x plus log c plus log v. In the next step, log a plus log b plus log c, log abc. So it will becomes log x into c into v, v power minus 2. So 1 by v square into minus 2. So 1 by v square, that minus 2 I am taking here, minus 2 into log x c v. If you remove minus here, this will be interchange. Here numerator and denominator will become interchanges. So 1 by v square is equal to 2 into log 1 by xcv. Why? Because minus log x means log x power minus 1. X power minus 1 is 1 by x. Similarly, if you remove minus here, log of 1 by xcv will come. In the next step 2 also we are taking as a power of this one by using logarithm properties. 1 by v square is equal to log of 1 by x square, c square and v square. Now wherever v is there, you have to replace with y by x. So substitute in this. So it will becomes 1 by y square by x square means x square by y square, which is equal to log of 1 by x square c square into y square by x square. So v is equal to y by x now. Y by x, these two will be cancelled. So remaining is x square by y square is equal to log of 1 by c square y square. If we remove this log, here anyway exponential is there, e power x square by y square is equal to 1 by c square y square. That also 1 by c square you can take as c. So capital C by y square. Since we are taking 1 by c square as capital C, that is our assumption, put or let. So e power x square by y square. So cross multiplying, c is equal to y square into e power x square by y square, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution to the given differential equation. To given differential equation. Let us go to the next question. That is question number 14, which is the last question in the second section. The next question here. Solve 2 into dy by dx equal to y by x plus y square by x square. First, you have to write given differential equation. Given differential equation 2 into dy by dx, which is equal to y by x plus y square by x square means y by x whole square I am writing. So I want dy by dx value, and by observing in each and every term y by x is common only, no? So put y by x is equal to v. Cross multiply y is equal to vx. Whenever we are getting y is equal to vx means it is obviously homogeneous equation, differential equation. So differentiate with respect to x, y derivative is dy by dx. V into x derivative is 1 plus x into v derivative with respect to x, dv by dx. So equation 1 will becomes, equation 1 implies that 2 into, keep bracket, in place of dy by dx you have to replace with this value, v plus x into dv by dx, which is equal to v plus v square. So now cross actual multiplication, 2 into v, 2v, 2x into dv by dx, which is equal to v plus v square. So here 2v I am taking into this side, 2x into dv by dx, which is equal to v plus v square minus 2v. So 2x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus v, minus 2v plus v, minus v. So now separating the variables v and x. So here 1 by v square minus v into dv is equal to, even here 2 also we are keeping here only, remaining 1 by x into dx. As soon as separating the variables, taking integration on both sides. Taking integration on both sides. So now 2 constant you can take outside. Integral 1 by v square minus v into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Separately you have to consider this one. Consider 1 by v square minus v, which is equal to 1 by v into v minus 1. Now partial fractions you have to apply. By using partial fractions, 1 by v into v minus 1 can be written as capital A by v plus capital B by v minus 1. To get the value of A, the denominator is v equal to 0 you take. If you take b is equal to 0, 1 by 0 minus 1, so A value will become as 1, minus 1. 1 by v into v minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by v. Sir, how you are writing? A denominator is V equal to 0. So V is equal to 0. In this you can write it. You can close V. 1 by, in place of V substitute 0. So 1 by 0 minus 1 is minus 1. That is the reason minus 1 I got it. To get the B value, denominator of B is V minus 1. V minus 1 equal to 0 you take. So close this V minus 1 and 1 by V is there. V minus 1 equal to 0 means V is equal to 1. V is equal to 1 by 1. So B value 1 by V minus 1. So wherever 1 by V square minus V is there, you have to replace with this one and we can write as minus 1 by V plus 1 by V minus 1. So 2 into, in place of this, integral, first positive value write it, we can write like this also, 1 by V minus 1 minus 1 by V. 1 by V minus 1 into dV minus integral 1 by V into dV is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. So 2 into integral 1 by V minus 1 log mod V minus 1 minus integral 1 by V log mod V, which is equal to integral 1 by x log mod x. So as soon as completing the integration, log c, constant also can keep. All we are getting log now, so constant also we are taking as log c. So 2 into log a minus log b, log a by b, v minus 1 by v, which is equal to log xc. So log of v minus 1 by v whole square is equal to log xc. Comparing the log functions, we will get as v minus 1 by v whole square, which is equal to xc. So wherever v is there, what we have to replace again? Y by x. Therefore, y by x minus 1 divided by y by x whole square is equal to xc. So take LCM here. Y minus x, here x get cancelled by y whole square is equal to xc. So y minus x whole square is equal to xyc. xy square c, here y square you can take, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution to given differential equation. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this session, and one more important thing I am going to tell you here for you. Here whatever we are getting the answer, sometimes it is not coincident with the textbook answer, because of some will take here c, someone will take minus log c, someone will take plus log c. So the procedure, you can give the important for the procedure while evaluating the problems which are belongs to homogeneous differential equations. So that is the reason, but answer will be 100% correct it is. You remember dear students? We'll meet in the next video. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.